Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video of MsGl course. Today in this video we are going to talk about 7 types of laziness and how to overcome them. So without any further delay, let's start our today's topic. So the laziness point number 1 is confusion. I don't know what to do. When this came up, it can feel overwhelming and you start rationalize the shit out of it. Self-complaint professionists suffer from this a lot. You want a finished process or result, but you stay there too scared to even start. The trick is to get started and figure it out along the way. You learn from the mistake as you go. Point number 2 is neurotic fear. I just can't. Once you listen to this voice, you would rather do anything than the task in front of you. Instead of reading the book or taking the course that will get you forward, you stay stuck doing nothing. But I bet there are times you have felt like, especially when you start something new and you have excelled at things you never could do before. Think of those times and use that as fuel to get started. Point number 3 is fixed mindset. I'm afraid I'll fail or look stupid. A fixed mindset means you are afraid to make mistakes and grow. You are scared how will you look. A growth mindset is cure to this. Understanding that you can grow, change and be better at anything you work consistently at, even with a lots of mistakes, you would make you better person. Whenever you hear this voice, tell yourself this: I will make mistakes and learn from them. Point number 4 is lethargy. I'm too tired, I don't have the energy. This voice constantly lies to you. A cure for this: telling yourself just one more. Feel tired after doing 20 push-ups, tell yourself just one more. Doing just one more will prove to you and to your mind that you have all the energy and enthusiasm you need to do what needs to be done. Point number 5 is apathy. I just don't care about anything. In truth, you care about something. Everyone cares about something, and the only reason this voice resurfaces is because we feel we cannot do anything about how we feel. Finding what you care about and working on it, or using it as a fuel to do what needs to be done. Example, you love scrolling through Instagram pictures. Do something you have to do on your to-do list for a required amount of time and use scrolling through Instagram as your reward. Point number 6 is regret. I am too old to get started. It's too late. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This voice comes up after you miss an opportunity that presents itself again. Do not listen to it. You can start now. You still have so much time. What would you rather do? Wish to start? So the 7th point of this topic is identity. I am just a lazy person. There really is power in your words. Be careful how you use them. If you do not believe in spiritual and you are more scientific, there is something called confirmation bias. Once you think you are lazy, everything around you happens to confirm that fact. Say you are tired and your mind starts finding reason to confirm your bias.